4-step care routine for gorgeous hair. Every girl loves her hair so much that she doesn't even like to dream of a hair fall in her sleep. While most love their hair, only a few girls go ahead to actually maintain it. If you are a beginner in this journey, this video will share the most important 4 steps of hair care routine. You cannot stop doing it. The first step is oiling. Most go wrong in this step by applying too much of oil unnecessarily on the lower ends of strands. This causes problems like excess oiling, hair fall, use of extra shampoo, and dry hair. To avoid this, dip a small piece of cotton in the oil and apply it evenly on the scalp. Massage gently using your fingertips. Wrap a hot towel on the hair. Leave it for an hour. This routine helps the scalp to get the necessary moisture without overdoing it. The second step is shampoo. Choosing a shampoo is very important routine. Experts suggest choosing a mild shampoo with herbal properties that don't damage the hair. Applying shampoo twice a month is considered useful to keep hair away from the pollution. The third step is to condition the hair. Conditioning the hair after shampoo helps retain the moisture and stops the hair from getting too dried up. An important guideline for conditioning is to apply the paste on hair and not on the scalp. Rinse well before you finish the washing routine. The fourth and the last step is to nourish the hair properly. There are days when you neither feel like shampooing or oiling. Those days, you can choose to nourish the hair using a mild hair cream. A good hair cream will help you keep the hair bouncy and fresh. With these routines followed, be ready to get a lovely, bouncy and beautiful hair.
Thanks for watching this video. Like and subscribe for more videos.